10 questions, and every single one has a body count. These are the problems the College Board uses to separate a 1200 from a 1400. Play along, keep score, and be honest. If you dodge all 10 traps, you're ahead of 90% of test takers. Lock in question 1. A jacket costs $80. The price goes up 20%, then the new price drops 20%. What's the final price? It's $76.80. Up 20% gives 96, but the discount comes off 96, not 80. Percent changes never cancel. The second one acts on a new base. Line L has slope 2/5. Line K is perpendicular to line L. What's the slope of K? -5/2. Perpendicular means flip the fraction and flip the sign. 2 moves, not 1. Most wrong answers do only half the job. They just negate it, or just flip it. Simplify x cubed, raised to the 4th power, times x squared. X to the 14th. Power to a power means multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Then multiplying same bases means add. 12 plus 2. The classic error adds when it should multiply and lands on x to the 9th. F of x is 3x minus 2. G of x is x squared. Find f of g of 2. (10). Work inside out. G of 2 is 4. Then f of 4 is 10. The trap is reading it backwards. F first, then G, which gives 16. Wrong order, wrong answer, same numbers. A bag has 5 red, 3 blue, and 4 green marbles. One is drawn at random. What's the probability it is not blue? Three-fourths. 12 marbles total. 9 are blue. 9/12 reduces to 3/4. The word not flips the question, and rushed readers compute the probability of blue instead, 1/4, which is sitting right there in the choices. The system may x minus 6y equals 12 and 2x minus 3y equals 9 has no solution. Find A. A is 4. No solution means parallel lines, same slope, different intercepts. Match the ratios. A over 2 equals 6 over 3, so A equals 4. Desmos hack. Graph both with a slider for A, and watch the lines go parallel. Here's a data set 3, 5, 6, 8, and 48. Which is greater, the mean or the median? The mean, and it's not close. The median is 6, but the mean is 14, dragged up by that 48. Outliers yank the mean, the median doesn't care. In Desmos, type mean and median of the list and see both instantly. A circle has equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. What's the center? Three comma -2. Complete the square and the signs flip. Minus 6x becomes plus 3. Plus 4y becomes -2. Picking -3, 2, the unflipped signs, is exactly the trap they printed first. The square root of x plus 7 equals x minus 5. What's the solution set? Just 9. Squaring both sides gives 2 and 9, but plug 2 back in, the left side is 3, the right side is -3. 2 is extraneous. Desmos hack graph both sides, they only cross once at 9. C equals 25h plus 60 models the cost of a repair that lasts h hours. What does the 25 represent? It's the cost of each additional hour. The slope is always a rate, dollars per hour here. The 60 is the flat fee you pay at 0 hours. Swapping those two roles is the single most common interpretation mistake on this test. So what did you score? 8 or better, but genuinely dangerous. Below that, good. Now you know exactly which traps have your name on them. Rewatch the ones you missed. That's where the points are. Drop your score in the comments. Grab the free trap checklist below and subscribe. Lock in, the test won't beat you twice.